limited to. They are limited to the fact. Yeah. Hydrocarbon, hydrogen, no, but we will put
No, it's not in the project. You can say no, and you can say trades from existing facilities
Yeah.
been identified and reported as
right, risk from
existing.
the existing related to construction people has been identified in HID, right?
And
HID, right?
and will be mitigated through
And please refer accordingly. Please.
No, don't put this or anywhere.
That's okay. That's okay. I think this makes sense. This makes sense. Yeah. Are there any changes in the composition? Not. This is construction.
From that
Yeah, construction. Yeah.
No, civil.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah. All this is there.
Is there any change in marine level? No. Is there any potential lifting over? No.
No. This is applicable.
No lifting. No, yesterday we said no crane, nothing.
No, but we are
No live equipment at all.
We have existing live cable.
Live cable? Yeah.
No, we have what is it?
Lifting over the live
crossing over live facility or electric cables.
Outside this fence.
No, but this is.
But cable we have identified, no?
Your cables are live, right? And you are lifting or you are putting some protection on top of the cable.
Yeah. Yesterday we have done a recommendation also.
Yes. Either you are doing any lifting activity on top of the cable or not.
Live equipment. See, live equipment.
Live equipment is the cable normally, or any process equipment.
Process equipment.
Or and live thing.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
If you have hit that.
Yeah.
You will have major disaster.
So let us put it. What to put? Potential damage. Potential.
These two. Okay, now thing is, I don't know how to cover this.
No, right. Potential damage to the live cable has been addressed in the HID. Right?
No, sir, there is lifting on live cables on the top of this. There is no need to crane for the lifting this pipe.
Okay, so how you are installing the culvert or anything on top, right?
Manually, because it's a tile. If you
It's in tiles only.
tiles only.
So leave it, sir. Leave it.
Okay.
No. Okay.
Okay. Potential vehicle. Yeah, vehicle collision will be there. So answer is yes.
No, you first leave it.